Celebrating dairy's undeniable goodness. That's the theme of the major national dairy promotion campaign launched this week by the Innovation Center for U.S. Dairy. The center is supported by dairy farm families through Dairy Management, Inc., but also by a wide variety of organizations and companies that are part of the dairy food chain, from processors to retailers. Beth Engelman, DMI's Chief Marketing Officer, says, despite dairy farms being in all 50 states and most of us living within 100 miles of a dairy farm, many people have never set foot on a farm. Undeniably Dairy is about reestablishing the connection between the enjoyment of the product and the hard work and pride of the people who make it possible. This campaign is unprecedented in that it unifies a vast and diverse dairy industry and the array of dairy products behind a single platform. The campaign will use conventional media, including TV shows such as the Food Network, along with a broad range of social media. A preview of the campaign video can be found at www.undeniablydairy.org. We have the audio from the press conference on our website too, at DairyBusiness.com. State milk regulators joined the chorus asking the Food and Drug Administration to enforce the proper use of milk labeling, distinguishing real dairy products from plant-based beverages. This move came at the National Conference on Interstate Milk Shipments held in Michigan this week. On the export front, the industry welcomed the news that newly confirmed U.S. Trade Representative Robert Lighthizer has notified Congress of the administration's intent to modernize NAFTA. The U.S. wants to protect its trade with Mexico, the #1 dairy export market, and increase access to markets in Canada. Also this week, CWT assisted with 1.2 million pounds of cheese and butter export sales from 4 U.S. cooperatives. We can only hope that all this work to increase dairy sales is successful because the Northeast is still awash in milk. Dairy Marketing Services, DMS, gave 6 months' notice to 85 Indiana farmers that they would no longer market their milk. According to officials, the excess milk in the region increases balancing and transportation costs, which cannot be equitably apportioned among all producers. Dairy Farmers of America has offered membership with special terms to the affected producers, should they choose. And that's This Week in Dairy. I'm Joel Hastings with Dairy Business.